What we have here is the table shows certain information rectangles for questions 1 to 4. In each case, write down the equation given in disguise and use the equation to find the dimensions. Okay, so Orson, could you tell me what is the length of this rectangle?
5.
And how did you find out it was 5? You're correct, you're correct.
Because 4 by 5 is 20. 4
multiplied by 5 is 20. So you divided 20 by 4 to get 5. Well done. What's its perimeter now, Luke? The perimeter of this rectangle?
18.
Yeah, it's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, which gets you 18. Then we're going to skip on to question 4. So we've done question 1 and question 4 thus far. Now, Ryan, how would you go about doing that?
Well, do 10 plus 10 equals 20, and
10 plus 10 gives you 20.
You take that away from the perimeter, which is 32.
Okay, so 32 minus the 20 gives you 12.
And then you divide that by 2.
Because these two sides must equal 12 when they're added together, which makes both of them 6. Now, I would do this algebraically. What I'd say is this: I'd let the side be, I don't know, be x, and I'd say 10 plus x plus 10 plus x, and I'd say that's 20 plus 2x. 20 plus 2x is 32, and then we'd say 2x equals 12 because you bring over the 20 over the side. X equals 6. What Ryan did is exactly the same as what I did there. The only thing is, I put it into maths language, so it's handier if you know how to put it into maths language. Okay, let's move on. Number 8, question 8. Anybody have any idea how to do question 8? Hands up if you know how to do question 8.
It's length 6 meters.
Okay.
Square is 6 by 6.
So what Jan is telling me is that the length and the breadth are the same. And when you multiply these two numbers by each other, you get 36. And Jan is thinking, what number when I multiply it by itself is 36? And Jan told me that the length is 6. What's the perimeter then, Jan? 24. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Handy outs. Right. Number 10 out of all of them. How do we do number 10? Number 10, anybody? Okay. Garrett.
Well, if the base is 4 and the area is 24, you divide 24 by 4 and you get 6. Okay,
nearly. Okay. So, the area of a triangle is a half base by height. A half the base. What's the base? Base is 4. Okay. Half the base is 4 and the height is here, and that equals 24. A half of 4? 2. 2h equals 24, and h equals? 12. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, another way you guys might do it, that's the algebra way of doing it. The other way you guys might have done it is you guys would say, okay, you'd divide area by the base and you'd get 6. Okay, and then you'd remember that you have to multiply this by this 6 represents half the height, because you have to then, so therefore you're going to find out that h is 12. 2 different ways of doing it. Would you like me to do one more triangle?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is handy?
Sorry?
What is handy?
Okay, now look at this one. The area of a triangle with perpendicular height 3 is 18 centimeters squared. Find the length of its base. What we can do is we can just draw a general triangle, okay? So the triangle doesn't have to be any particular shape, okay? Now what we know is that the height is 3 and the area equals 18. Let's call the base x. We don't know what the base is, okay? Now, what is a half? Okay, let's put it this way. What is okay, what's the formula for area? A half base by height. A half base by height is 18. What must the base multiplied by the height be then? If half a number is 18, what's the full number? Half of this number is 18, therefore the full number is 36. What is the height?
36 minus
The height is 3. So 3 times the base equals 36. What's the base? 12 centimeters. Okay, so what question?